What's up guys, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset the Veise Smart Lock. So if you're having any issues or you first get the lock, you're going to want to go ahead and factory reset it. We're going to go ahead and start on the back here, and you'll see there's a faceplate that's normally here. I went ahead and removed that, but I'll show you the reason I removed it is there's a little button down there on the bottom. You can see it where it says reset. That's where we're going to be sticking our little pin in right here. If you don't have one, you can use, a thumbtack, you can use a needle, anything like that. I think maybe even a pencil might be able to get in there. But what you're going to do is you're going to push it down in there until you hear a click. And you're going to hold it for 5 seconds. It'll actually talk to you when it actually factory resets. So really you can hold it in there for about 6-7 seconds and you'll hear it go. So go ahead and push it in there and you'll hear that little click. So we'll listen. There you go, the click, and we're holding it in there. And then it'll tell us when it's reset.
Restored to factory settings.
So there you go. It said that it went ahead and factory reset. It's a talking lock. So it's talked to us. And give it about 2 to 5 minutes, and then you should be able to sync it up after that point. But that's how you factory reset it. I'll be creating some more videos with this lock. But if you guys have any questions or comments or need any help, just let me know, and thanks for watching.